All right, we are going to be making our own shop through Printify. When you first log in, it goes through welcome, what brings you to Printify? So you have three different options and it's pretty user friendly. It'll tell you exactly what to do. So I'm new to selling online and want to start. I'm already selling online and want to add Printify, or I'm ordering products for myself. What you all are going to choose is I'm new to selling online and want to start. What we're going to do is you're going to go uh, content creator or artist designer. And once you click that, it'll say choose any specific skills you already have experience working with. So I'm going to say I'm just starting out. Do you already know where you'll sell your products? I'm exploring different options. And you can start with the US or you can sell globally. We're just going to start with the US. How did you hear about us? Friend or family, and then complete. Now, take a look right here. Step 1, create your first product. Step 2, connect your store. Step 3, connect with mentors in the Sellers Club. First, we're going to create your first product. So it walks you through it step by step. We're just going to make a fake product right now, just so you can see the process. We're going to go to clothing and apparel. Then I'm going to save product. Then it puts it on there so you get an idea of what it looks like. You can order a sample of your product so you can buy it for wholesale price. And then you hit connect your store and publish. Now, even though we're going to the next step, you can always go back and order a sample. You can connect to Etsy or see other sales channels. And the nice thing is they have guides for everything. Printify pop-up. Start selling right away. No need to create a website. Just send out a unique link to your friends, family, or followers. Subscription fee, there's no subscription fee. Cost, it's free. So we're going to connect there. Then you come up with your name. So now this allows you to choose a theme. And then you visit your store and it's up. So in order to publish this, you go My Products. Then right here, Unpublish. Click to publish, and then you're good to go. So with a free Printify website, you are able to have 5 stores per account. So it's free to start your own merchant business.